equipment operator here on the land clearing mechanized crew. I run all the heavy equipment, Timco's, track chippers that you can see in the background here. Obviously, number one is keep the public safe. We got all our safety measures, protocols, just making sure that we're keeping the public safe first and foremost, and then making sure we're keeping each other safe and doing everything we need to do there. Doing it mechanically keeps a lot of the guys safe. Rather than doing things manually with chainsaws, the guys in a protected cab all the time. Cutting these taller trees next to the road on this particular job, a lot of tall cottonwoods. I'm able to reach up high in the air or wherever I need to safely cut the tree, grab a hold of it. And once I have a firm grasp and I can take a peek around, make sure there's no one around, then a saw blade comes out, cuts it off, and I have full control over that. And I can safely get it to the ground without putting me or anyone else in danger. One great asset for Integrity Tree Services is the teamwork. I know we got just an awesome group of people here. Everyone's here for each other, and we lean on each other a lot for whatever's needed. You know, we have the job at hand, and we just do whatever it takes to get that done. And leaning on each other for that really goes a long way to getting that done. And not just within our crew, but within our teams. We have other crews on this line that we're working side by side with, and they need to borrow something or we need to borrow something, manpower, equipment, whatever. We just work it out, and it's really refreshing to be able to do that. And it goes a long way, and that extends to our clients as well. And being able to work closely with them in solving problems and just meeting our goals.